How to show battery percentage on iPhone 11. If you have been using the iPhone 11 and wondering on how to show the battery percentage on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. Now here you can find there is no any battery percentage showing right here. Now to show it, simply open the settings application of your mobile phone, just like this. After that, scroll down and here you can find battery option right here. After that, you will find something like this onto this battery section. Now to turn on the battery percentage, here you can find the battery percentage right here. Now simply turn on this button right here. Tap on it. And now you can see the battery percentage is now showing right here at the top onto the battery. And that's it. This is how you can show battery percentage on iPhone 11. It is a very easy process, right? If you don't want the battery percentage to show, simply do the same process and turn off the button. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.